Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel once again. I want to take this opportunity to welcome you all back into 2024. I have an amazing video for you today. If you want to get every bit of understanding about this video, I recommend and I suggest that you stay tuned and watch every bit of it to the end. Alright, so if you're new to this channel, I will encourage that you subscribe to this channel and then hit on that bell notification icon so that anytime I upload a video, it will just pop up on your phone and you won't be left out. And I want to also thank my subscribers, my returning subscribers. I am grateful. I love you guys. Okay. Without much ado, let's just dive into what we have for today. But before that, I want to ask you a question. Do you know that you can start your own pure water factory or your own pure water business without you owning a factory, a machine, a tricycle, cargo, whatsoever? So if you want to know more, stay tuned. You can start your own pure water business without you having everything set. You know, a lot of people have been asking me in the comment section, how can I start a pure water business? How do I go about it? Prices of machines and we all know that the machines are very expensive. Okay, unless of course you are solely ready to purchase them. Yeah, the machines are expensive, a little expensive. Yeah, but then if you are able to afford them to, it will help a lot. But in today's video, I want you to understand that you can start your pure water business without you owning a factory. Yes, it is possible. In most cases, what people do is that you have to locate a registered factory, a factory that is registered. Okay, so you negotiate terms with them, and then you can prepare your brand. So what do I mean by brand? The pure water rubber, we call it a roll. Yes, so you can prepare your brand, your logo on the rubber, and how you want it to look like this one, and then you get all these things ready. You can also I said a registered company, yeah, because if you try this with a company that is not registered, it will affect you. Yeah, it will affect you because your brand, it's not a company yet, it's a brand. The rubber you're using to cut your pure water, it's a brand, it's your brand. Let's say if you have a factory and you have everything and you want to start the pure water business, you will get all these things, you get it registered. Agencies will come and test your water and stuff. So if you get a company who has gone through all these processes already, then you can talk to them if agreeable, which is possible. Yeah, it is possible. So you can talk to them, and then you get your brand, your roll ready, and then you start cutting your pure water with them. Fine. You may also ask that, so after cutting them, how do I convey them to the market? Yeah. So you can also, if you can afford to purchase a tricycle cargo, then you're good to go. If you can afford to purchase that one, the only thing you have to do is to look out for a rider, not just any rider, a reliable rider, a rider who can be loyal to you. Most people complain that riders are collapsing their businesses by looting their little incomes, and with this business too, even though it helps, water is something that people purchase. No matter who you are, you will drink water. We need it for life. Yeah, So it's a good business. And then I want you to understand that you can start it without you owning a business and without you owning a factory. So all these things I'm mentioning, these are things that are possible. These are ways that are possible that you can initiate it in 2024. So as time goes on, as you start and then you get a lot of profit, a lot of income, you can also go and register your company, set up your own factory, and then register it and then start operating. But in the meantime, if you don't have all these things at your disposal, if you don't have them right now, you can still do your water business. Like I said, get a brand, a role, and then look for a rubber company that produce um, a good roll that can cut, that can give you more produce. We call something micron. Yeah, a good roll with a good micron that can cut more. So after securing a registered company, you can also this is what you have to also do next. After securing a registered company, you have to look out for a tricycle motor. If you can't afford to buy a tricycle motor, there are riders who also who go to factories. They have their own motorbikes. They go to factories and then they buy from the factories and sell and gain their profits. So you can also look out for these riders, and then you negotiate terms with them. They will come to your factory, or they will come to the factory where you are cutting your water and then sell it for you. Also, another way is that if you have a store or a supermarket, you can feed your produce water in your store. That is also a good idea. So you can feed your water after you have produced your water, and you think you can't deal with a rider. You have trust issues. You can't trust people to sell them for you. You can decide, if you have a store, you can feed the store with your produce. You can also look out in the market, women, like people that own provision stores. You can also talk to them, and then if agreeable, then you start providing them with your produce. So one most important thing is also that the booming of your business, how your produce are going to run out faster out of stock, determines the quality of your water, the taste of your water. That's the most important thing. Because at the end of the day, if I buy your water and it doesn't have a good taste, I don't think I can. Then I will take note of that brand. I don't think I will buy it again. So you have to also look out for companies that have a good taste of water. Yeah. So in 2024, this is possible if you have the idea of setting up a pure water factory, and then you are not all ready. You can still make it happen by doing the things I have mentioned. Yeah, whichever region you are to, you can look out for companies that are around your area or your location, and then you also negotiate terms with them, and then you start running your mini pure water business. You necessarily don't have to get everything set before you can run your pure water business. It is possible. You can run your pure water business, and as time goes on, when you gain profit, you can decide to opt out from that company you are working with and then set up your own factory. That is when you think you can purchase your coil machine or whatsoever. You can purchase your poly tanks. You have a factory that you can even, if you have a room, like a room size like a hall, or maybe a single room size, which is a little spacious, you can use it for this business. Water business is very good. Anybody that tells you it's not profitable, it's profitable. It's very profitable. Only if you are determined. Only if you give it an attention. Yeah, because water is something everybody can do away with. You should bear in mind with that. Water is something everybody cannot do away with. You can't tell me that you won't drink water. So my subscribers who are outside Zimbabwe, Zambia, whatsoever, guys, you can try this method and it will work. Yeah, it will work. So if this video has also been successful, if it has been helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. And then if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel for more content like this, more amazing content. If you have any comment, if you have any question, you can leave them in the comment section and then we will deal with it together. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.